Did you know one man built a bridge across the ocean just to invade another continent? In 480 BC, Persian King Xerxes faced an impossible challenge. How do you march 200,000 soldiers across a mile of open water? His solution was beyond ambitious. He ordered 674 ships to be lashed together across the Hellespont Strait. Massive cables made of papyrus and flax, each thicker than a man's body, held the floating bridge together. Wooden planks were laid across the ships and sealed with tar to create a roadway. But when storms destroyed his first attempt, Xerxes did something unthinkable. He ordered his soldiers to whip the sea itself 300 times and throw chains into the water as punishment. Then he rebuilt it even stronger. The finished bridge stretched over a mile, supporting cavalry, infantry, and supply wagons. For 7 days and nights, his massive army crossed from Asia into Europe. This engineering marvel enabled one of history's largest military invasions, all because one king refused to let an ocean stop him.